You get on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.
Yes, so now preaching, my brother. The thing don't go, you start the preaching. I mean, not that you speak preaching.
I just came from London.
You don't tell where you come from London, my brother. That one has a 2012, I'm 2013, sir. Can't say your English just fit. Now preaching they speak now. Anyway, now still Nigeria FM 102.7. Your position for live and direct. If you observe your time right now, 10 minutes just escaped. 10 a.m. already. On top money runs with Water Bobby, MC, R&B, and
Becca Bleed.
the last genre we featured just now, one of the biggest songs for the country at a point. Some of these vibes still there now. I don't mean to hurt your feeling because as I say, one of the biggest songs at a point. You can't look my face like, so the song not big again. Now for LAS, featuring the now you do that song alone, Panana and the title. Now, first of all, we'll start. We get LAS for the building. Former rapper, part of the Flyboy group where you call later say I want to do my music on or you want to do your music on you date studio with us here right now. How do they pronounce your name?
LAX.
No, the IZZLAX. Is it Lags?
It's last. Now last I they call you before. At any point you they agree me person call you last.
No, for now I agree. Before I know they agree.
You know they agree, yeah. Because I hear one say if they call you last before you they take us.
Yeah, but now I don't say blessing.
You not get choice. You get. So for those when they wonder, what the LAS stand for?
Yeah, so it stands for Live and Excel.
Oh, Live and Excel.
Okay.
So at a point, what make you even come to Disney? What make you come to LAS?
So the one
what inspire you?
I first get LAX.
Okay.
When I did my group.
Yeah, the Fly Boys.
When I did
Fly Boys, yeah.
When I did Flyboy group, now LAX be my name, which I know get meaning for the name.
Oh, at that point.
Yeah, at that point.
Okay.
Because the way I get the name, now say the one guy for the group being he named na TIG. Okay. So all of us we dey try do like
abbreviation. Now you don't go call yourself LAS.
Now so rappers they do that year.
Yeah.
Most rappers they get abbreviation names. So from there I can't find meaning to the name. So now when I come start the column,
can be Live
and Excel.
And Excel. Where you want leave your papa house go Excel. You want
I don't leave.
You don't leave Tete.
But I know you don't collect the ven now. I know your family background. When I deal with I'm gonna start that one, yeah.
No, I make you leave down.
You know, guy, you want to leave that guy house, they know they send you the vest.
If I leave here now, I go to see DM. I want to pay my school fees.
All right, LAX. When you go tell us, say you get your big break into the Nigerian music industry.
So now when I drop Caro with Starboy Wizkid, now when people start to
pay attention to you,
they see my music, they hear my music.
Okay. So about that break, this one happened for 2013. Another same time, I think Nain Wizkid they once also just stand on his own.
Yes.
So the next thing we see Caro, we see new face. Okay. Wizkid wants stand on you and he dey sign artist. Like a lot of questions on the raise. Who be this guy? What be the D when you Wizkid get? Then later on after this song don't blow, they say you were never signed to Starboy. It was a D. Say now 21 million naira you give Wizkid, made a feature. I don't know if they don't ask you since then. But you certainly hear all these rumors at that point.
Yes.
Just to declare right now.
I know they really hear rumors, sha.
Okay.
I know
you don't hear the talk.
Now the first time where I hear the price, safe.
Say now, okay, I think now 20 million. I me they run for the price. Say now 21 million, 20
million. I
million.
don't know the price.
Say now your money say Wizkid take buy that Porsche Panama that time when you get us.
That means I get money that year.
You not get money before. But yeah, they grant for this industry. So I want to know what if the whole idea.
Yeah, so
what you did that time.
Now
just to be clear.
Deal, but I've been get my contract. So now artist deal
with Starboy. That's Wizkid record label that time.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not as if you paid money for Wizkid to bring you out and the deal can't go as you plan now.
You hear my music now.
Yeah.
How it takes sound.
Dope.
Nice.
Makes sense. So 21 million was not be a minute take by that Porsche Panamera when they take get accident. Because when they come make the matter card, because you say as you take get accident, he come meet you say you need to pay money again, you take buy another one. So then you catch you say
I don't go somewhere where they talk about me.
Yeah.
For the place.
Yeah.
And they look myself say, I shouldn't me.
Then they
you know what happened to me.
So all those one are hula baloo, right?
Yes,
But so what really happened after? Because at the point we also hear say there was some kind of like little disagreement, like the deal wanna get fulfill your own part, like just to declare. I want clear those information.
Yeah, so for the deal, I did very happy with everything me and Wiz do.
Yeah.
And waiting even give birth to waiting I be today.
Yeah.
And all the music where
Play
they drop
major
now where they
role.
make sense.
Yeah.
So me and Wiz will be like brothers.
Even till now,
Yes, now we did
now
talk.
see they relate.
We still dey relate now. For me, like I don't always be person where they do my thing on my own. I dey stand on my own since when I dey young. So for me, I just passed through that stage of being under a record label to understand
How the
process they be, how to dey drop song. Cause at that time I dey UK and I dey record, but I don't know how to put the music out.
Art.
And people where they hear my music that time, they really like my music. But say it better make you they talk something now, say follow no road. You understand?
So at that time, Whiskey no
At
road.
that time, you understand. As I did with Wiz, I understand many things for the industry, and now waiting they help me till today. So
That means you don't regret the decision of.
I know they
being part
regret
of-
anything. Safe. Anything where I do now, waiting God don't ordain say go happen.
It will happen.
So in recent times, we don't see your charity works or philanthropic work. We beside go talk.
Yes.
So waiting with the rationale behind it. Hope say no be say for future we go yes okay. LAX so you go for one political
Because that's
position.
not the start. You know they had you first do foundation, say they help the poor.
You
The next thing don't
understand?
pre-poster.
Yeah, we need to know. So waiting with the rationale behind it.
For me,
Yeah.
I just like to dey help, and I
But you
don't.
never helped me.
I don't-
earlier.
Never help me too, LAX.
Yeah, but
I dey help less privileged.
Ah, we don't
Una-
like privilege,
Papa,
oh.
Mama
don't be
not
less
there
privileged.
again. Papa, Mama not
Una
there
don't
again.
be
Yes.
less privileged.
Oh, because I manage get
Now
work
less
here.
privileged I dey help.
Okay.
So for me, like I just like to dey help people because I don't dey do am since, but I just start to dey show am.
Show am,
And the
put
reason
more
why
lights
the
on
reason
am.
why I dey show am no be because I want show off, but na
Okay.
because I want make people wey fit too.
See, they ginger through your own doings.
If I fit do am, then them they fit do
Fit do
am.
am too.
And waiting me, I dey always tell people about giving. Be say no be about waiting you give, no be the amount of waiting you give. As long as you get that spirit of giving, then that's if you give person 5,000 fit be nothing to the next person, but if you give another person, it be like say you give 100 million.
Yeah,
So
true,
just
true,
give
true.
anything where you fit.
I know be say you get any political.
No.
Aspiration.
But I dey even be like say I want try because the way our government
Yeah,
dey
na
move
there they
now,
start from.
So you think say you different from
the
them.
way they move now, I don't like am. Before I won't leave am for them, but
Then, but right now you got get
like say I go
involved.
just get involved.
Where you want for start right now? Your
I feel no even chase anything, but I feel they inspire.
Okay.
They talk
You-
about
you
wetin
they
go
play
inspire.
like Godfather, like what Tinubu they do sometimes.
No put that.
No.
So some days ago, sorry, he get something where we say Seun Kuti they talk concerning Grammy or no Grammy. So he
Yes,
call they talk say okay the three people we don't win Grammy so far for him.
We don't get nomination.
We don't get nomination rather nah Femi, his brother Sonny Ade and Burna Boy. So some of them they get and they don't get the Grammy nomination
Three
so far.
nomination.
Yeah, so he can't rule out Wiz out of the whole this thing, say na collaboration Wiz do blah 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 blah. So you maybe say you don't dey close to Wiz for a very long time now. Wetin you actually feel about that talk?
I
wey
feel
Seun
say
Kuti
all
make?
of them get Grammy.
Okay.
I feel so all of them get Grammy because
As
for
far
the,
as your
for
name even dey mention.
for them to even recognize you, some people they where they
Whether na
want-
collabo work
yes
or feature
now
work.
as long as you put in effort. A lot of people even they where they be writers where nobody know and they get Grammy.
Get Grammy, you steady you.
So-
Some Nigeria self.
Yes,
yeah.
now so me I know all of them get Grammy. Now big I feel say for Afrobeats now we don't even dey position where we no suppose they even try
Bring
compete.
each other.
We
Okay.
suppose
Make
they
comparison.
yes now make comparison. Suppose they position where we push the culture, make
Okay.
it go further. You know, make people the hear say now Afrobeats and make it be global genre. So I don't feel say make anybody they try compare or compete. You know, say all of us will be one. Suppose push the
Yeah.
culture together.
Okay. LAS get new single out right now. One we'll talk about very soon. But before then, for those who never meet you, not know your background, I just like me give us more insight on your real names. I think you don't have to talk before your real names, where you come from, where you grew up before you move go UK and the rest. Then
So my real name now Damilola Afolabi.
Damilola Afolabi.
And
yeah,
I
Afolabi.
grew up. I grew for Lagos.
Okay.
For Lagos for Ojodu Bega. Moved to Allen Avenue. Moved to Okpebi.
Before you move.
Before I move, go the other side.
Not before
You
you
need
move,
to
go
mention
UK,
am
London.
this other side.
London. At a point, you know, most time when you hear people move go UK, we yes, okay, now because of education or now because they're too stubborn, they don't want to make Nigeria. Make Nigeria system turn it to flag, but you said they go that side. So what if your reason when they say you go that side?
So now school I go do for this.
Only school, you sure?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
your man don't say, this is earliest. I see you stubborn.
No, me I no stubborn. No.
You even look like a cool guy.
I no stubborn.
You know they look away.
I
the
did.
way,
No,
the
you look
angle
like
way
a
they
cool
look
guy.
and act.
I did cool now.
You look
I
in
dey
face
cool.
from where you know say
You
this
don't
boy
hear
get
anything
coconut
about me with that trouble.
No, because still come to your controversy.
I know they cause trouble now.
You know they.
I know they cause trouble.
Okay, so sharp right now. Before 2013, I believe say you don't get her. You know, they listen to different sound. So I want to ask which sound or which artist kind of like influence your sound when you bring can't give us from 2013 and when they manage. And some I don't go like give your sound don't grow.
Yeah.
No, earliest sound right now, you know, if you compare to 2013, 2015,
Yeah.
even 2019,
Yes.
change don't day, and all of us don't see how that growth don't go. So who you actually influence your sound?
For me, at that time, when I first start,
Yeah.
at the year, subconsciously, I hear a lot of Fuji music. Because at that time, I drive and I waiting in the play. If I go school for money, they come back. Now,
I'm not telling a big map. People.
Yeah,
Now they
no,
drive
man,
van, go school. You know
I
they
say,
trek.
I want to go school.
You
If
know
they
they
don't
You know they
trek.
take school
Well,
bus.
some of us they trek.
And you know they even
You know
take
we
school
use
bus.
they drive and go school. Your mama would die.
So at that time, now waiting at the year.
Okay.
Then if I go my auntie house, she dey play. My auntie na person wey dey. At that time, she dey play a lot of foreign music. She like Usher, Michael Jackson. So I dey hear that one too when I go her house.
blend.
So the blend of the two. And now waiting, I start to the record. So that time when I dey record, I dey put a lot of Fuji inside.
blend with
inside
American
yeah,
style,
blend with R&B at that time. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, to the next question, maybe someone ask you. One of your interviews, maybe say you do some time ago, you talk about the fact, say your inspiration actually they come from true life experiences. Like most of your songs now from true life
Yeah.
things maybe say don't happen. So how important you feel say it is to actually sing your song to people, make people hear through your own reality?
Yeah, I feel say most people or for okay, make I talk for myself. I feel say if you dey share the easiest way to make something sound very mild, make it no dey too serious. Now if you sing them,
Okay.
you know say if you dey talk some things, it go dey too serious.
Yeah.
People feel you feel vex person. If you dey sing heartbreak song now, people go dey sing am with you. You understand?
People wey fit easily
yes,
relate.
people wey fit easily relate.
Where they don't chop the breakfast
Yeah.
too.
Not your breakfast or heartbreak.
So I feel say I dey happy say I be artist because it dey help me, pass a lot of message wey for don be very very serious matter if I dey talk am, but as I dey sing am now, people dey understand.
It
go dey on a lighter
yeah,
note.
people
Yes.
go vibe to them, but still get your message.
Yes,
though.
yes.
Okay, since you don't fall in, how many albums you don't get to your name?
2 albums.
2 albums.
Zaza Vibes
Zaza
and
Vibes.
Raza King.
So why it take you that long to drop album? Because
Okay,
the 2 album, why I ask I want me to talk because one at 2019, one at
Now January this year now.
2020.
Yes,
This the
November 2020.
December.
yeah,
okay.
2020.
Yeah.
So why it take you that long to drop album?
Yeah, so for me, like, now the music me at the face. If you never write, I know they rush am.
Okay.
So for me, it take me from that time
2013,
to
we can go 2019. before
it
you
take
drop
me
your
that
first
time because I been dey fine tune my sound. So they get
Na
waiting.
get the growth
They
come
get
from.
the way where I want make people hear my music and make them feel. At that time when I first start,
Yeah.
the way me I the reason music now say drop waiting go blow. Do this one, drop waiting go blow. Then I reach position where I feel say drop waiting go last. Drop waiting go day in next 10 years. Where even you
person
when you
enjoy.
hear when you hear your music where you drop that year, you go there
go
happy
dey
with
proud.
yourself, say, see waiting I drop. So now where the phase change and now I dey chase waiting.
That's same arrangement
And
right
if you hear my music now, you go hear say na sweet music
Na
I dey
sweet
do and
music.
music will go last.
And still talking about your music, that's Zaza Vibe. And just after everybody done dey in shock of coronavirus
Yes.
pandemic, we dey for
Now you give
everywhere.
am motive
So where
baby.
we still they look at the fact, so, okay, pandemic they all lot for body. Oh, before we know, you don't give us Zaza Vibe. How you give us that kind album despite the pandemic we dey everywhere?
Yeah, so for me, I want first, say thank you to people where they around me and producers where they around me, songwriters where they around me, where help me fine tune.
Hold on, you just say songwriter.
Yeah,
so you
you're
agree
right.
say people they write song for you.
yes now.
Nigerian artists not they agree.
No, have people the right song for me now?
No, seriously, we got commend you because I don't interview several artists like when see they your level. Most of them know they ever agree say somebody the right song for them.
The team say the industry don't they grow now.
Okay.
They grow level where people feel talk say they
the right song for
You
them.
understand? Everything don't change.
I know this right. I hope that they get their
Yes,
percentage
they
from
get
your
their
money.
percentage,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
So now the music don't reach level where songwriters you suppose they give them credit. So for me, waiting happen, me say during the pandemic time, we day house, I get studio for my house. So I just start. I don't get songs where I be one drop, but I no can't drop them. I can't start to the record again. New song.
So that's as a vibe now. All new songs you drop or you miss out.
Most of the songs are new. So I feel
When you record during lockdown.
Yes, I feel talk say 70% now.
New song.
Na new songs because na vibe will come during that period, and now why I really be one drop am because if I no drop am that time, if it be new vibe where we don't enter now, where that one no good go. So now waiting just happen during that period. We day house, we no fit come out now, so we just day back to back the record.
I want to ask. I think at that same time you buy house, buy new motor. So I want where una they cost
Where una dey cut the soap, oh?
Because the one that they buy house now they
No,
make
but
me
you
wanna
know
say I
what
don't
happen?
work hard
That
enough.
sometimes I go on interview where person ask me say the COVID period, some people no benefit.
Una make enough money.
But for me, I feel say that COVID time now one of my best times.
People stream
And
una
the reason
music
why
tire.
no be even about music. When you they feed off go show, collect money, go show. This it fast. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you don't get show. You don't go even get time think.
Say
The
what
life
that
they go
means.
fast.
Yeah.
But during the COVID, you dey look say, oh boy, I don't dey spend. I never cover for. You go start to dey think of new ways to make money. You go start to dey think of how you feel, make more money. And during the COVID time, now waiting help me. So I start to dey write. Because waiting I study for school now, business plans. So I start to write business plans. I start to submit business plans for companies. And from there, we start to make money on the side.
That's
So
beautiful.
okay, just to dey clear now because the house when you buy, not be like say just 1 million, not be waiting that is save by now lose according to what say house for Lagos now lose they lose by. So sharp right now, I just want to know now that same time frame when you start to write business proposal, now you gather up the money to buy the house.
No.
Okay, you don't get you supposed
We don't
get
save from time.
and also
You
because
don't take away even before COVID. You don't already get plans
to buy house because now I know say some people I see you as a polite person. I want to ask this straight question right now. The house when you buy, you pay in full or now like say or you take first I'll come they pay the
Or na
spread down
mortgage.
because most artists don't agree. You also say I buy house. Meanwhile last they get understanding with whoever give them the house. Say
House,
okay,
yeah.
take
Okay,
50
pay
million
small.
first or take 20 million first. Come spread the other million. How you
Payment.
take do your own?
The way I take the man, I paid most of it in full. I no go lie, but
The rest can spread out.
Yes, and the reason why we do like that, we say as a businessman, you know, if you tie a lot of money inside somewhere,
true.
just carry. Even some people they get money buy the house full, but they go just look say, okay, why not use part of the money to make more money, then come back and pay. So now,
But you don't pay for the house fully now.
yes,
sure.
yes, we
You
thank
don't
God.
want to say they consider rich you come here.
They no fit.
Okay, before I start go be more enjoy the
No,
remix.
before we ask before we go to that Gobe, wait, that Zaza vibe, baby say you give us my own favorite songs from there, na Gobe remix and Golo. So I
Yeah.
been want to ask you, so out of those tracks, baby say you get for your album, which one of them be your favorite and why?
So for me, now lose my mind.
Why lose my
And the reason
mind?
why I lose na true life story.
Oh,
So my babe leave me go.
oh.
He
You
pay
never
me.
get
I
baby
cry.
mama
I
since,
cry.
so. Now you make
I say the controversy we go see that about our.
I know, baby
When
mama.
I say lockdown.
Hey, yeah.
For
Now they
before
pay to leave you.
lockdown.
Before they leave you.
So right before
Wait, babe, they
lockdown.
leave people like una.
Uh-uh.
That means all these young boys when they cry, have
Babe no leave. Babe no leave Bill Gates.
That one I lied. The wife leave one. Opposite get money.
I don't
When you do remix of this song,
I don't
Now,
change from that year to now. I don't change.
okay, from there till
Nah,
now.
I'm a newborn. I don't change.
Okay, on the serious, what really make the girl leave you though? Wait,
I don't sing down for a year too now.
Okay, now because of the okay. And you say you not get baby mama, so you get to get me
No, that one I just that one na additional. You just add that one. No, that one no dey the story. Now just make the story sweet.
Last you dey swear belle.
Now just to make the story
Because
sweet.
I tell us say his son na life experience.
Exactly.
Now to make the story.
On the serious note, why you never give him mama?
Why I never get?
Yeah, I be the hide down. It don't happen. You
I
just
no
decide
need
hide
them
down.
now.
How old be last first of all?
28.
Your age,
Yes, now.
not be your music age.
No, now.
Really
My music
20.
age na
Which year
17.
then?
My music age na 17.
If you whiskey. Okay, which year the boy you might see if you get it.
93.
You don't calculate yourself.
No, na person where they like, what they think.
Okay, so sharp right now. We know say the music journey don't dey sweet for you. Two album to your name, not be joke at all. And each of those album get their hit single even before they know they drop hits for us back to back. Now you get new record arts. These are your first official single for this year.
Yes, first single for the year.
First single for the year. I want to ask how the collabo between you and Davido take come about on this particular song. What inspire you? I just want to get the idea.
Yeah, so the way me I dey record I dey record almost every day, the day studio. So I been go visit David. I know be even about music. I just want go follow him talk one or two things. So as I reach in house, in come up we
The
talk.
house far from your house. I've been at the same street today.
If I from
Far, okay. Good. See, I want just know whether that banana line your
If
house.
I from my house, leave. So we just there, we talk.
Yeah.
And he just tell me, say, let's go to the studio now. So I play a couple of songs. I just play songs for him.
Yeah.
And he like this one. So we record them from scratch. Instantly that day we record them. And as I reach house, I play them, send them to my label. They like them and we just decide to drop them.
Talking about your label, I see this you signed to yourself.
Yes,
Yeah,
now
now.
I did sign to myself, but I did collaboration with another label for America.
Oh, which is
So, now like
Empire.
partnership.
Empire.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah,
that's not
partnership.
the same label. Won't let me do the do things.
Yes,
right?
yes,
They
yes.
correct, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, since when this Empire this starts?
So now Zaza Vibes bring the deal.
Oh, that particular album.
Yes.
Wow, Mado. So now they push your song now.
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask you one question where they pertaining to record label owners, artists, because recent times we don't they see issues of artists getting problem with their record label and they go sign deal before you know they say okay, they know they do again, blah 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 blah. Waiting you it's because you don't get your own record label. Now waiting you feel say be the cause of all these big where they share between record label owners and artists.
Yeah, so for me, like if I dey advise artists, the first thing where I feel say you guys get
Yeah.
na lawyer and manager.
Very important.
The first two
Manager
things.
won't get sense.
Yes, we get sense. Even sometimes you fit get lawyer, may you no get manager.
Manager, yeah.
Because for deals, you guys this read them well.
All the clauses.
And you as an artist, the only thing where they always think na money.
The first money when you receive.
And now people where they bring deal come, now the first thing they go put
do you
forward.
give you? Then you can't forget. Say later things will
They
change.
no
you.
go ever tell you the things where they inside the deal himself. So you go just follow money sign. Then 2 years or 3 years down the line, you go to blame
record
record
deal.
label.
God,
But
they
you
sue
guys
them
make sure say your lawyer check.
first.
Tell you if your lawyer go come explain
So
to
from
you
your
this-
explanation right now, I dey try get you say most time na the artist first because he not
No,
check
no.
it deal well.
I no go talk say na the artist fault because as the other party, you guys sympathize or understand, get empathy for the person where you dey sign. But at the end of the day, as the artist too, you guys make sure say you read
Wetin
wetin dey
dey
the contract. Very very important.
I think most artists they really read, but along the line, I think greed they come in play because and I say after like 2 years, you see your name don't go for after the record label don't push. I don't receive millions of naira. At the end of the day, only 10% they come to me. No, now
Exactly.
me I start to the chop my own. Then next thing you want come up for record deal, they forget say this kind of person want make money. Then in the other hand, this record label over years suppose review this contract. Say
Yes,
okay, we don't they make big money.
Big
Oh, yeah,
money
mostly
also.
they give big percentage,
To you,
but because we be black people, not they really raising that kind of arrangement. So now because of that one, you never sign any artist or you get any artist when you never
no,
unveil
I
to
get
us.
artists where they work with.
When you work,
So-
but you never unveil officially.
Yes.
Okay, who be this artist? Because a person bring you need to bring somebody
Yes,
in.
now.
too
Abi
now.
now.
Yes, now we dey work on them.
As I be singing, not sign me.
Hey, don't mind them, oh. Now beg it, beg go.
Make I no sign, make you run.
Wait, I get beef. I don't remember now. I get beef with LAS.
You know,
Which beef
which
you
one?
get?
2016.
You dey remember the year?
Yeah, 2016. Because I don't our DM. Because I say I don't
You know
message
wetin
LAS.
happen na wetin Tiwa
Shey, we go
Yeah,
fight now.
fight
If
the
I
fight.
bring your dirty linen, come
Yeah,
and
call him out.
Okay, sharp. No more keep our beef. We'll settle our offer later. So sharp right now. Amazing song. I don't listen to Pepe.
Yeah.
Pepe, right?
Pepe, yeah.
Your brand new song with Davido. We go play am very, very soon. I want just to know this year already, we don't spend half of the year already.
Yes.
Now, coming out with your first official single for this year, what will be your plans? I want to ask for the next.
Yeah, so I did drop album this year as well.
Another
Another
album.
album. Wow.
So, how many track album? You don't make that decision yet?
I did think I go do 10 songs.
10 songs.
But songs too much, so if you enter 12.
Wait, this your song. Dash me one now.
I feel
I dey feature artist. So
I
now
dey
your
sell
floor, your
songs
pool.
though.
You want say give me? You won't get fear. I feel buy you won't get my
He's a
buy your song.
businessman.
I will sell song for you.
LAX na
I go give
businessman.
you discount
Yeah.
now. You
I
get
love
money
that.
now.
No reason as I dey talk for radio.
People will get dread.
Now they will broke.
Now they
pass.
get money.
Because we not see money take babble. Okay, sharp right now. So album they come this year.
Yes, album
Like
dey
when you don't get fist month or you see the
I did
contemplate
end of the year.
end of the year.
Before the end of the year.
Early-
The album done ready, but I know say I go like add 1 or 2 more songs. So
Okay, on
I
top
dey
the
work on
album.
them.
Okay.
All right, me, I want to move a little bit off your music now. We don't
Yeah.
see say you be fitness into what do they call them?
Enthusiast, abi?
Enthusiast. I been
Yes,
to
yes.
You get six pack full everywhere.
Yeah, you get 6 packs full
It don't
everywhere.
make it like push it up and down. But they walk out for cup and like
Before
say.
you know, you go do video, you dey see your 6 packs and everything. So I want to ask you how your workout routine be, and another one, how the reception from your female fans don't be so far for you.
Yeah, for me, I dey work out every day. I dey play football.
That means you get gym for
I dey
us,
go
eh?
gym. So I dey do more of cardio.
Okay.
Then, but I been dey go gym before. I won't go back again.
Okay.
Start. I don't leave gym for like some months. For the female fans, I dey show the love wey they bring. So as they bring the love, I dey.
They post them past the boys too for your story. Boys go vibe to your
That's
song. You
what-
know,
that's
do
what
the
you-
poster. They post girls because they open body. No, I dey see everything.
No, I dey post boys too.
You know, out of
I
10
dey post boys, but think am. That means saying that girls they send pass.
No, boys is send.
Because I dey post everybody. wey
You
dey
know
send.
why boys don't they breathe sense on time? Because now they encourage them.
Make
Tell
boy
me
wait.
how to tell
Make
me.
boys
Wale
they
wa go
make
be-
boys they send to Tiwa, Yemi.
Make girls dey send to the other sex,
They
other
call the
gender.
accuser, say that they show something. Okay.
All right, lastly, me, I just want to ask you which advice you get for the upcoming artists where they look up to you right now, and if you drop all your social media platforms for your fans to take follow up.
Yeah, so for the upcoming artists, I just want to tell them, say make them just the original. Say now originality they they
yourself.
last, they sell. So whatever you be, just show the world and sell it. And my social media handles IZZLAX everywhere. IZZLAX.
Everywhere, both
Yeah,
for
this one with Twitter.
even
No,
for Twitter.
This one with Twitter. No
I say
day
you
now.
want say Twitter.
This one with Twitter. No
Not
day
day
now.
now. You not did
So
there for that too.
we know they there. They don't come carry me from here.
Okay, sharp. Just before you come on, how much earlier they charge for collabo?
For collabo.
Yeah.
If the music sweet, we go do them.
Now so now they talk until tell courage to do me. Because they say bring.
No, some
2
people
million
will
pound.
charge them if the music no sweet.
So if the music sweet to
10
come.
million.
10 million.
If the music no sweet, we go make am sweet.
Hey,
Now
this
effort
how
we
you don dey
put now.
think.
10 million. Now you tell us now. And we will see in the outside room. Anyway, we don't get LAS is there for studio. Thanks say you branch to studio today. We wish you first of all on top this is your
Pepe.
new single, Pepe. It just dropped today officially. They are available on top of digital platforms, right? Already.
Yes.
Okay, people listen to that very, very soon. So go get a copy, go stream her, go download anywhere. If you download on top digital platform, will not be free site to make for people make more money. You get so that may not charge me too much for our new song. We want to do
Abina,
together.
so.
More enjoy Pepe right now.
You get on top the original Ninja FM 102.7. We radio.